Manipur joined a nationwide celebration of 76th Republic Day at historic Kangla Fort with Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla hoisting the national flag yesterday. Chief Minister Biren asserted that the police uniform showcased image of India and Manipur and that police should work for every community. The celebration began with the governor inspecting the guard of honor accorded by a contingent commanded by Thoubal District IPS Probationer J. Barange and hoisting the national flag, and later took salute from 54 march past contingents, including different band contingents commanded by 3 times world boxing champion and sports SP Laishram Sarita Devi. During the celebration, the governor decorated 12 selected police officers with Police Medal for Meritorious Service, Republic Day 2023 and Police Medal for Meritorious Service, Independence Day 2023. Addressing the celebration, Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren expressed satisfaction on participants from across the state during this crucial time and further expressed that it would give a new hope to the people that peace and harmony would return in the state soon. He added that state government has undertaken various development projects in the state amid the conflict. Chief Minister Biren also expressed that participation of cultural troops representing different communities in the Republic Day celebration had shown that the unity and integrity of Manipur is still intact. Delivering the vote of thanks, the Chief Minister said that the state has strived forward in development under Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He also spoke about various development projects in the state. The celebration was attended by cabinet ministers, member of parliament, MLAs, chief secretary, security advisor, DGP and various civil and police officials.
Asuguma sirba tandrasi da koi amuk hanna anoba Manipur amagi inotma hanagi nungsi sanana akoi amatta oina leminaramba aduguma makhalgi anoba Manipur ama gi madugi inotma khak ngasigi Republic Day numisido uba phangi masimak akoi bu sembiri mapuna akoi mayam da sanbidana state sida santi hanjalakna bagi achouba lambi mangasida gi pibire hene lowboda